Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. 6 Best Home Remedies for Tonsillitis. When the tonsils at the back of one's throat become swollen, it's known as tonsillitis. Because tonsils catch bacteria, they sometimes become infected. The most common type of tonsillitis is what we call strep throat. To cure strep, there are some medicines that can be taken. But here we have some simple ways to help soothe the pain in the throat. Signs of tonsillitis or strep throat: sore throat, red tonsils with white or yellow spots, difficult or painful swallowing, raspy voice, bad breath, fever, chills, headache, neck and jaw tenderness. If you have one or more of these signs, it could mean your tonsils are infected. Make sure to take care of it right away because tonsillitis is very painful. Ways to cure tonsillitis at home. Cumin seed cure. Ingredients: 80 grams of black or cumin seeds, 250 milliliters of filtered water, 1 tablespoon cognac or whiskey. Directions: 1. Boil 200 milliliters of the water with the seeds for 15 minutes. The mixture should be black and thick and feel like wet coffee grounds. 2. Drain the mixture and add the other 50 milliliters of water. Bring it back to a boil. 3. Add the 1 tablespoon of cognac or whiskey. 4. Drink 1 tablespoon every 30 minutes. You should start feeling better within 2 hours, and all signs should go away in 4 hours. Lemon juice. Drinking lemon juice can help the body fight infection and can also ease the pain that comes with strep throat. Drink as much fresh lemon juice as you need to feel better. Honey. Honey is great for killing bacteria, which helps cure sore throats. Mix 4 tablespoons of honey in a glass of water and drink the whole cup. Do 2 to 3 times a day to feel better. Turmeric. Turmeric helps keep the swelling down and also kills the harmful bacteria. To use, put a pinch of turmeric in a cup of almond or coconut milk and drink it. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is another thing that can bring down swelling and help soothe pain. Crush a small cube of ginger into a cup of boiling water and then let it cool off. Then drink the tea. Onion juice. For onion juice to kill bacteria, you don't need to drink it. If you gargle onion juice, it is enough to ease pain in the throat. If these cures don't help and the pain continues for a few days, make sure to see a doctor. Tonsillitis can be spread from person to person, so take care of it before that happens. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.